Verifying your Shopify store with Google is essential for using Google Search Console, running Google Ads, and improving SEO. Here's how to do it. Sign into Google Search Console. Go to Google Search Console and log in with your Google account. Click Add Property, then select Domain or URL prefix and enter your Shopify store URL. Choose a verification method. Google provides multiple verification methods. The easiest for Shopify users is the HTML tag method. Select HTML tag verification. Copy the meta tag provided by Google. Add the HTML tag to Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Go to Online Store, Themes. Click Actions, Edit Code. Open the theme.liquid file. Paste the copied meta tag inside the head section. Click Save. Verify in Google Search Console. Go back to Google Search Console and click Verify. Google will check the tag and confirm ownership. DNS verification. If preferred, add the TXT record to your domain's DNS settings in Shopify. Google provides step-by-step instructions for this method.